We have like an amazing way to grill the fish. We call it mesgoof.
It's good. Wow.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, how's it going?
It's going fabulous. How about you?
Yeah, it's all right. Today's been a pretty gloomy day, but perfect weather. So,
We have a sandstorm here in my country.
oh, is
Actually,
it?
it's a series of sandstorms, which is like awful.
Yeah. So you're not allowed to go out anywhere.
Um, yeah, like just in my car when I want to go to my work,
Mhm.
so I have to drive to work. But otherwise, no, I would prefer to stay at home because it's annoying the sand when it goes to into your eyes. It's really annoying.
Yeah. So where exactly are you from?
I am from Iraq. I live in the capital, Baghdad.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Have you ever heard about Iraq?
Yeah, I've heard about Baghdad a lot. Um, Especially in movies like Hollywood. Hollywood. Yeah,
Yeah,
Hollywood movies. I've heard about Baghdad quite a lot. I've never visited Iraq, unfortunately, but yeah, um,
yeah.
I've heard
I
about
know,
it.
I know. Yeah, I know you prefer war movies, and recently Hollywood created many movies about Iraqi war.
Yeah, yeah, they did.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah. They
nice.
say they
Have you
said
ever
Baghdad and
visited
Iraq.
India?
No, actually, I haven't visited India, but my parents they have visited India three uh, 3 years ago. They have visited Taj Mahal and Delhi. Yeah,
Delhi.
and
Yeah, Delhi is the
eh,
capital of India. Yeah.
yeah, and they enjoyed their time a lot there.
Mm.
But they complain about the food. They said the food was really spicy, and they couldn't handle spicy food.
Yeah, especially in North India. So I live in the south part of India, but in North India, the food is really spicy, especially in Delhi, because Delhi is the capital, and you have people from all the surrounding villages who come to Delhi and who
Yeah.
make like their traditional food, and then they sell it, and yeah, that's how it is. So all those people eat really spicy food. Whereas if you come to South India, like our curries are uh, sort of on the sweet side. It's very different, actually. Yeah.
So not all India prefer spicy food.
No, not everybody. Like for example, like in South India, we have this dish. It's called sambar. I'm not sure if you've heard of it. Um,
I only know one dish, Indian dish. It's curry.
it's called curry.
Curry. I see. I think Cury. Curry.
Yeah, yeah,
Indian
yeah,
dish. It's
yeah.
made out of potato and chicken,
So okay,
and
so
tend
basically,
to the
all the gravies that we have, all our liquid dishes, are called curries in India. So it's not just one, but we have like multiple curries. So, for example, what you described would probably be a chicken and potato curry, and
yeah.
it's quite different. But I think, how is it different from the food that you have? Like, what is your staple food?
Mm. We have biryani and dolma. We have different kind of stew. Um, we have let me think about the food. You know,
Sure, sure.
we have like an amazing way to grill the fish. We call it mesgoof.
It's good. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. We get the fish. fresh from the river, and then just split the fish, clean it from the blood, and put
Yeah.
some salad and squeeze a lemon, and then put it near to the wooden fire around hour or 2 hours, and then here we go. Your fish is ready to eat.
Yeah, is it really nice? Is that your favorite?
Yeah, it's my favorite, and it's favorite Iraqi favorite food.
What is it called again?
Mezgoof.
Mezgoof. Okay, I'm gonna check it out after our call. It sounds pretty.
Yeah, if you Google it, you will see people. They have a circle of wooden fire, and
Okay.
a series of fish. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then near to the fire.
Oh yeah, it's okay. It looks pretty good.
Very delicious, especially if you include this dish with like green pepper and onion slice. Wow, it's amazing.
Wow. So this is like. So do you eat like a lot of non-veg, or is it like some days you'll eat veg, or what is it exactly?
Yeah, you can say half. I'm not vegetarian, and I'm not like I eat vegetables, and I eat meat and chicken.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
But which is your favorite cuisine? Your most favorite cuisine from all of the world, if you had to choose?
A part of my cuisine?
No, I mean you can choose your cuisine. It's all right.
Of course, Iraqi cuisine, because I used to eat Iraqi cuisine. Beside Iraqi cuisine, Syrian cuisine.
Sri Lanka.
Syrian.
Syrian. Oh, I've never.
Syria.
Really? Well, what's their Syrian cuisine? What is
It's
their...
they have they have like
Lebanese?
different kind.
Oh, it's Lebanese. Similar to Lebanese food.
It's a country between Lebanon and Iraq.
Okay, so so basically Syrian cuisine is also known as Middle Eastern cuisine. Oh, that's my favorite cuisine, by the way.
Yeah, Syrian and Lebanese, they have almost the same dishes.
Yeah, it's amazing. Oh,
really amazing. Yeah. When I got there in Syria, I actually gained a lot of weight there.